Alright guys, I'm keep getting this error. Adobe Photoshop could not complete the command because the scratch disks are full, which is, I do have space on my computer. As you can see, I have 60 gigabyte space, and over here 240, but still giving me this error. So let's try to fix it. So my assumption is wherever you save your file, especially this PSD file, you have to delete those PSD file in order to create more. So that's what I think is happening. It's not about my space. So let's try to create. Looks like it's working. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. You can also do this. Go to start menu, type run, type percentage temp percentage, hit OK, Control A, Shift Delete, hit yes. So those are basically junk files. You don't have to worry about it. Those you can't delete, just skip it. So that'll have to do.